Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix your phone number on Google account. You've been trying to create an account, a new Gmail account, and your phone number is being declined and it's not being verified. That's the issue you're facing. I'm going to show you the easiest way to actually resolve that issue. So let's do it together. So first thing you have to do is open up your YouTube app, right? And you see your profile where it says you. Click on that and you're going to click on accounts. So once you click on accounts, you can see you click on where it says the plus sign right there. Click on the plus sign and it's going to check the info. So all you need to do is click on create account and you click for my personal use. You input a name, the name you want to use. Okay, and click on next. So you put in the date of birth. Okay, and you also input the year that you'll be using and the gender as well. So click on next. Then here you can see you actually bypass that phone number verification because you're doing it directly. So you have to input a username for it. So okay, input this and you click on next. Okay, for this username is not allowed. So let me look for another username. So you click on next. You can just pick any available one right there. Click on next and you just input a password and you're good to go. You can see you just created an email account without verifying your phone number. So you're going to review this account in full and get back to me. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and you could subscribe to get my videos like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.